Today's picnic: Greek yogurt, sausages, egg. I roasted a chicken last night that needed to be roasted, and there's more of that left for later on. We've got some cheese and meat rollies, some cheese. We threw a batch of cookies together last night so that we'd have them for the picnic today, and I melted too much chocolate this morning, the good organic dark chocolate, so we didn't want to waste it, so we covered some strawberries in it. That's here, some more blueberries, some of our leftover pasta from yesterday. I picked up a really small organic watermelon in Super Value yesterday, so that was really cool because they'll love that, and because it's small as well, it's not going off or you're not wasting it. What else is there? Just a few bits. We've got another little tub of hummus from what we made. Oh yeah, and we made up a big tub of homemade cold stock with the organic cabbage from Super Value. They have it in Dunn's as well, and the carrots. And I've just put that into a glass thing so that it'll keep it cooler. So I'm going to keep that in the fridge till we're going out the door, and then it'll be still nice and cold when we go sit and have our picnic. And all of our picnic things and our flasks and everything. So, picnic number 2 this weekend. Let's be having you.